Hi, I'm Joe McNally, and I'm completely excited to talk to you right now, right here, about a class called The Complete Photographer. It's an amazing journey from genre to genre. We did sports photography, we did studio flash, we did location flash, soft light, portrait light, athletic light. We took those principles of the studio out onto location. We worked in hard sun on the beach. We went into establishments and we told the story of a particular shop or shopkeeper in a whole variety of locations. I basically took 40 years of photographic experience and I poured it into 5 days. It's probably the best class I've ever taught. We had an incredible Kelby video team with us every step of the way. So every beat, every nuance, every frame are all recorded, so now it's yours. You can partake in this class as if you were there. It was literally the most complete week of teaching I've ever done, and maybe that's why the class is called The Complete Photographer.